G'day, Dylan here, Kruzin Customs in Palmerston North. We've teamed up with Dynamat New Zealand to be bringing you Dynamat both to Kruzin Customs and KruzinCustoms.com. Today we're going to talk you through some of their products and how to install it. What we're going to be installing into the 64 Ballier wagon is the Dynamat Extreme Bulk Pack. The bulk pack covers 36 square foot, 3.34 square metres. This should do the floor pan and up the firewall. So what we're doing here is we're just going to prep sole the floor, get everything that you can off the surface before you start your installation process. So on the back here we've got an adhesive, just pulls off. I'm not going to pull the whole lot off to start with. I'm just going to pull off to this first fold line, fold it under. That way we can get the top of it sticking without having to worry about it's sticking along the bottom of it where we don't want to stick it onto yet. And from here, get it nice and tight to where we want it to be, and we just start rolling it in. Got that first bit stuck down, so we're going to pull our second section of backing off. We're going to put that down to the ground. We're going to start rolling again. Make sure you get into all the swages in your floor, make sure it's sticking down nice and tight. Finishing it up, you'll finish it up with the Dynamat tape, which will tape off all your joins and just make for a really nice tidy job. As you can see, we've completed the process of covering the floor. It didn't take Robin and I very long at all to get this all in, and we're now ready to refit the carpet and the seat, go out and experience the Dynamat difference. Definitely a noticeable difference on the way that the heat's transferring through the floor with the exhaust. It feels a lot more solid inside. Rattles, bangs, stuff like that. Definitely a noticeable difference, so really happy with the result. Dynamat Extreme, the bulk pack and the mega packs, as well as the trunk packs and hood liner, all available at www.KruzinCustoms.com.